Lights, camera, action. Students from Bates Middle School journalism class came to see Troy TrojanVision News put on a show in the studio.
Primary reason that I like to bring the kids is just to expose them to journalism and hopefully spark some interest for them. We're always, of course, looking for ways to improve upon our show. It's really pretty much like an authentic learning experience for them.
Bates Middle School produced their own show called Bobcats News, and the tour gives some students an idea to improving their skills.
Start becoming more serious because since y'all don't do any retakes of any scenes, so I might put that more because we take a lot of time trying to get our speeches done.
This is not the first time for Bates Middle School journalism class to take a tour of Troy University's news studio. However, this is the first time they ever took a tour of the new Earl Hoto studio.
I love the new studio. It is awesome. Actually, I thought the old studio was awesome, so seeing this is really great.
I think it's a really nice touch because whenever we first came here and saw it, I was really like, this is going to look amazing.
Also, while being on set, the students got to see what's happening behind the scenes on a live news show.
You only get to see what's up there, and seeing it from behind the scenes is actually pretty great.
I find it actually really educational and basically a new experience because many people don't get to see what it's really like on a news show.
Yolanda Allen, Troy TrojanVision News.